In his book, Influence, the Psychology of Persuasion, Robert Cialdini says that as a sales professional, it is essential that we know why people buy. We need to understand what influences decision-making and how to use them to get people to say yes. Used ethically with the customer's best interest in mind, mastering these 6 tools can cement their relationship with your prospect and turn them into customers that keep coming back for more. Number 1, social proof. People tend to do what the crowd is doing. They figure if most people are doing it, they should be doing it as well. So use testimonials and videos to show how others enjoy what you sell. Number 2 is authority. People make buying decisions more easily when guided or influenced by somebody with knowledge or authority in a certain industry. And this is why it's important to quote known experts in your presentation or be clear why you are an experienced expert in your profession. Number 3 is liking. Know, like, and trust. People will only buy things from people they know, like, and trust. If you want to persuade people to buy from you, they need to like and trust you. The fastest way to do this is simply be genuine and honest. To genuinely like them and tell them, I really like you, Frank, and find something that you have in common with them. Number 4 is reciprocity. People feel indebted to those who do something for them or give them a gift. We're trained to reciprocate. So give to the prospects before asking them to buy, and they'll feel more compelled to buy from you rather than somebody else. For example, if the customer says he's interested in doing business internationally, you email pertinent information on doing business offshore, and you keep emailing them and calling them with this information until they buy. If the customer wants to know something about setting up a self-directed IRA, you give them the most helpful information you can by phone and email, and keep providing them with help after the sale so they'll continue to buy from you. The more you give, the more you get. And number 5, commitment and consistency. Statistics show that once someone commits to doing something, there's a good chance they will follow through. That is why we see so many $1 trials. Check it out for $1 and you might buy something for $900 the next month. If they buy something small from you, the chances are that they might buy something from you big. Say you increase it by 4.5 times, that's a 450% increase. Number 6 is scarcity. Basic supply and demand theory. We only have 2 left and they're selling fast. People are more motivated by fear of loss than the joy of gain, and scarcity will influence somebody to buy rather than thinking about it. So number 1, social proof. Number 2, authority. Number 3, liking. They know, like, and trust you. Number 4, reciprocity. Number 5, commitment and consistency. Number 6, scarcity. And these are the tools for every sales professional to master.